So let's look at this example. Now we have two functions, function a, x, y parameter. It's a two-parameter example. Z is equal to 2x plus y. Again, function b, y comma x, z equals 2x plus y, right? So it looks a little more complicated now, right? So how do you handle two parameters? So first of all, let's just handle two parameters with this example. And we'll go through probably these 4 examples on one video and then these 3 examples on the second video. Okay, so let's focus on these 4 examples, right? So here I put 2 and 3. So this is the placement. So the critical element here is placement. And that's all you're looking for. What is the placement? So my placement is 2 is on the left. So then my 2 is, you remember, this is my left-hand side, right? So my left is 2. This is my right-hand side. So my right-hand side is 3, right? Now it correlates to here, okay? So this is 2 times 2 plus 3, which is 4 plus 3, which is 7. So now this value here is 7. So let's look at the second example. Okay, so when we observe the second example, how does the second example work? Okay, so I'm going to erase all this and work on the second example. In the second example, we have the following. Again, we have the left-hand side, which is x, the right-hand side is 20, right? My value of x is what? 5. Okay, so my left-hand side, I bring in 5. On the right-hand side, I bring in 20. So my x is now 5. And my right-hand side, the y now is 20. So in this, the x and y have to be correlated together. They're exactly equal. When I'm doing the call to the declaration, it is just placement. So now it's 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Plus 20 is now 30. Right, so I return 30. Okay, so now let's look at the third one. Okay, I'm going to erase this. Let's look at the third one. Okay. Okay, but you can see it. It's a little messy. Apologize. On the third one, now we have x on the left and y on the right. So my left-hand side is what? 5. X is 5. My right hand is 10. So now I just look at left and right. Okay, so 5 and then what? 10. So my x value is now 5. My y value is 10. So now this is 2 times 5, which is plus 10, which is 10 plus 10, which is 20. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and erase this again. Erase this. Okay, here. So now let's look at the final example problem. Okay, and the final example problem is now here. All right. Again, this is left. This is right. Analyze the left and right. And so this y value is 10, and this x value is 5. So what you now want to look at is left, right. So what's my left side? My left side is actually 10. My right side is 5, right? So again, left, right. This is a placement where this variable here is, this parameter here is equal to 10. So now 10, 2 times 10, right? And my y value is 5. So that's 20 plus 5, which is 25. Okay? So these are the first 4 examples that I worked out. We will work the next 3 examples in the next video.